Hello everyone, my name is Gif Momagojo and welcome back to another segment where I will show you how to download Pycharm. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So navigate to Google and on Google search bar type Pycharm. Hit enter. And here on the search results, just click Pycharm, the Python IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment for Professional. It will take us to the jetbrains.com website. So you can scroll down and take a look and explore, but we want to download the Pycharm. So click on download here. Right, so it will get us to this page. So there are two options. Pycharm comes in two types. There's Pycharm for professional, there's Python for community. So this one, you have to pay to use this one, right? It comes with awesome features. And here, this is the community version of Pycharm, which is open source, which is free, but it has got also cool features. That's the version that I use. So you can click on this one, down on the download community Pycharm, and here, as you can see, Pycharm is downloading. So basically, that's all you need to know if you want to download Pycharm. So for installation instructions, you can click here and get to read the installation guide for the Pycharm IDE, that is the Integrated Development Environment. So you get to read about the requirements, system requirements for you to install. So as you can see here, you can follow these steps to install your Pycharm application, and that's it. So just when you are done, just when it's done downloading on your site, on your computer, just launch your Pycharm community and follow the installation settings that follow. Otherwise, that's it.